Guys, how are you today? I'm doing fantastic. So we're actually doing something new today. We are at one of those play areas for the kids. They have a few of them in the area, and we've been to one other one. That was the Over the Moon, but this one's different one. This is called Happy Feet Planet. It's very loud in here. And we brought Jonah here to play. This is really, really cool. I really like this one. Let me show you around a little bit. So there we have Jonah. Just figured out you can put the balls on top of there and they float. But this is just the small part of it. Look at this. It's called Happy Feet Planet. It's got all these balls, which he's never actually been in a ball pit before. And you go up here. You got all these tunnels. I haven't even been past this area yet. You've got trampoline. Whoa, this is a big, huge slide. This is a really big, huge slide. Look at that. Oh, and I guess there's another one over there. All kinds of climbing structures. The floor is all this matted stuff. We have this at the house too. Oh, it just keeps going on and on and on. It's just pretty endless. Look at this. Wow. Like I said, it just keeps going on and on and on. This is actually really, really cool. I love all these little tunnels and stuff. Jonah's a little too little for some of this stuff, but he definitely will grow into this place as he gets older. So Jason, you haven't been down there yet. It just goes on and on. It's crazily big. Some of the stuff he's probably a little too little for, but he'll definitely grow into this place.
Yeah. This is a nice warm-up thing over here for him here.
Yeah. And it's cool because he's like experimenting and yeah. So this is his first time in a ball pit. He's never been in a ball pit before. He's definitely figured it out though, didn't he? Whoa, what's that? Whoa. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead, Daddy's down the bottom. Bye. Bye, buddy. Whoa. Whoa. Can I see him? There he is. So this is kind of an aerial view of the space. I'm inside, which is really, really cool. Here we go, here we go. Go, Jonah! Whoa!
That fun?
That was fun. And he's off. He's doing really good. He loves to climb, so this is a perfect place for him. Come on, Jonah. Here he comes. Whoa! You okay? He is having a blast. Oh, and he is too. There's just so many little nooks and crannies to this place. Like, I'm not sure what this is all about. There's like an obstacle course. We were building, can't really see right now, but we were building things over there. There he is. He's having a blast, huh?
Yes.
Yes. Where he's going now. Oh, he's going down here. Whoa. Watch out! Whoa, where'd you go? Found a little ball. See, like those little places to climb. Okay, so we go from the Happy Feet Planet play place to a racetrack where Jonah is all decked out in his racing wear, and he sees all the race cars. He's named them all. He's given them all a nickname. But yeah, he actually got to see one up close, but he was a little afraid at first because this is all new to him. But yeah, this is his.
Actually, I think it's the first time for any of us to go to something like this.
Yeah. I slightly remember as a kid.
Yeah.
But I don't remember. I was so young. So.
He's got all the flags up there.
What do you think, bud? Is this cool? Yeah. What do you think, buddy? Is this the coolest thing or what? We're not sure how he was gonna do with the noise. Whoa!
I do have headphones in my pocket.
Wow! You're getting scared? Is that cool? So Jonah, how you doing, bud? How you doing? What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's fun, right? He's named all the cars. They all have a name.
Models once again come in their second 40-lap feature and to finish the night out in the bar division.
Yeah.
A whopping
Want to go see
15
the
laps
cars?
here.
Come on. Let's go see the cars.
Whoever cleans
They are. It's super loud when they go around, so I haven't filmed that yet, just because it's really, really loud. But here's some. There we go. He's absolutely loving this.